In our large mold manufacturing factory, the birth of each mold goes through a strict design and precise manufacturing process. The machining of mold components is regarded as the most critical link in the entire assembly process. After being precisely machined by advanced CNC machines, these components also require further processing by mold craftsmen. During both the design and machining stages, every detail cannot be overlooked, as even the tiniest error could potentially impact the overall quality and performance of the mold. This series of rigorous operational steps not only reflects the outstanding technical wisdom of the engineers, but also embodies the hard work and exquisite craftsmanship of the workers.